Hi folks, today we have yet another video to help you on your road to becoming a millionaire. Let's talk how to plan a budget to change your financial future. A budget is a plan for your money. Like Dave Ramsey says, a budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. At the most basic level, budgeting involves tracking your income and expenses. Budgeting is essential because it can help you save money instead of overspending and enables you to make the most of every dollar. And all it takes is just a little bit of discipline, planning, and most importantly, prioritization. You can then use this information to better understand when and where you're spending money and realign your expenses to help you progress toward your financial and personal goals. Talking about goals, setting a goal is always a good place to start. Think about where you want to be financially in the next 5, 10, 15 years, or even retirement. Today is when you start to create the life you want tomorrow. So make money goals to get to where you want to be. Once you've got these goals in mind, you need a plan to make them happen. Saving up money, becoming debt-free, investing in retirement are some of the goals you need to add to your budget. That's how you'll make them happen. Budget before the first of every month. You need to budget every month before the month starts. Because thinking ahead is how you get ahead in life and with money. While creating a budget may seem overwhelming at first, the time you spend putting it together will certainly be worth it. As you will know how much you have to spend on each category, which will save you from unnecessary stress when you see your expenses. Identify your income. An important step in creating a budget is to identify your income and expenses. Any money you receive during that month can be considered as income for your monthly budget. It can be your salary, commissions, self-employment income, and other regular income. After you got your income accounted for, you need to put in all your expenses. Think of your expenses in 3 different categories. Fixed needs. Necessary expenses that stay the same each month, that is rent, car, and mortgage payments. Variable needs. Necessary expenses that vary from month to month, that is groceries, food, clothes, transportation, etc. Wants. Non-essential expenses, that is dining out, entertainment, coffee, etc. To get an idea of how much you spend on your expenses, I suggest you pull a couple months of previous bank statements. Savings and investments. You need to save and invest some money every month for your future. There are different ways to do this. You can open an online savings account and put your money in on a monthly basis. You can open a brokerage account in the stock market and invest in stocks, mutual funds, index funds, or bonds. You can save money to invest it in real estate for your personal home or a rental property, which can make you passive income. Your savings should also include an emergency fund that can cover at least 3 to 6 months of expenses should you lose your job or suffer an unexpected loss to your income. One approach that has grown in popularity in recent years is the 50-30-20 model. You divide your income into 3 categories and allocate it according to the following percentages. 50% goes toward needs such as rent, food, and minimum payments on credit cards and other debt. 30% for wants such as vacation or entertainment. And the remaining 20% towards savings. As mentioned earlier, managing your personal finances can appear to be a daunting task. But it doesn't have to be. There are endless budgeting and personal finance spreadsheets that are readily available online. Some commonly used spreadsheets that you can use are Excel budget planners, Google Sheet templates, etc. This helps you to see how much income you have as well as how your money is spent, which allows you to budget your money appropriately for your needs. While it is possible to create a spreadsheet yourself to help you with your financial planning, it might be easier for you to start with a pre-made financial spreadsheet and then expand it when you need it. Apart from the worksheet, you can also use budgeting apps that can be used for specific budgeting methods. For example, Mint is a great budgeting tool which can be used for saving more and spending less. It automatically updates and categorizes transactions, creating a picture of spending in real time. You can add your own categories, track bills, and even set budgets, which will alert you when you're exceeding your threshold. Another app is Personal Capital. Although it is primarily an investment tool, its app includes features that helps tracking of your spendings. You can link your bank accounts, investment portfolios, retirement accounts. It gives you a breakup of all your incomes and expenses, and you can customize based on your goals and requirements. Budgeting can help you gain a feeling of control over your money and grow your confidence. It allows you to prioritize your spending, tracking your progress, and making changes as you go. It puts a solid plan into place that is easy to follow and give you the chance to plan and prepare for the future. It is the biggest tool you have to change your financial future, and it gives you the power to make changes starting today.